Swift Conqueror 545, £14,750. Okay, this is the outside. Okay, 645 twin axle. Yeah, beautiful. It's not a mark on it. I'm just gonna have a little glide around the body, see what you think. 14,750. It's down on Unity Beach in Somerset. It's under book price. Absolutely stunning little Tourer, guys. Yeah, it's not got anything wrong with it whatsoever. It's a 4-berth, one owner from new. Yeah, one owner from new. It's got all the bits and pieces with it, Damo. Got all the waste, the water, the pumps. It's got locks. It's got all the carpets there. It is a little diamond. Okay, I thought I'd do a video so you guys can watch it a bit later. So it's Sunday today. There it is. Got the logbook, one owner from new. Got all the plugs down here. Obviously this turns into a bed here, so it's fully bed. Everything really, it's absolutely perfect. And what I like about it is lots of light in it, guys. There's all the air conditioning and all the heating system. Yeah, it's got everything. I don't think they've used the microwave. It's absolutely spotless. Got the cooker, fridge, freezer, big end bedroom, guys. Big end bedroom. That's a heating there, central heating. Yeah. So Unity we are in Somerset. Big end toilet, big end shower room. Loads of cupboard space. Loads of cupboard space. So if you're looking for a Tourer, guys, we've got a nice Swift Conqueror here for sale. 14,750. Unity in Somerset. Yeah, let me show you the outside again. Underfloor heating, steps with it, everything. Yeah, it's a nice van, isn't it, Damo?
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful little van for sale, guys, at Unity. Yeah, it's got 2 locks, lock on the front, lock on the back. Yeah, if you're interested in coming to see it, call Damien. What's your number, mate?
07976827734.
So what we do is we take them in part exchange against statics. Yeah, obviously we're down here. This is our new paddle courts, not far from the old fun fair. Yeah, there's the old train to show people around, guys. Old choo-choo train. This is the football court here, tennis courts, golf club over there. But the main reason for the video is to sell this Conqueror twin axle, 645. What do you think of the old train, guys? Come down for a nose. Ride on the old Disney train, Unity Beach. Yeah, Bream. The old train service, leisure park. We have got everything down here, guys. Everything. Country club. If you want to go to the country club, you're more welcome. Yeah. Anyway, hook us up in the comments if you want to. You want some information on this Tourer. Okay, guys. Listen, guys. Have a great day, and thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. See you later.